Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn Best Song Ever by One Direction. And I know what you're thinking. One Direction? Really? Who wants to learn that? Well, somebody does because they gave me a request for it. So if you have a request, then leave that in the comments below and I'll get around to yours as well. I do all kinds of different songs. I do country, I do Undertaker theme, I've done the patriotic songs. I'm going to do more Christmas songs once we get closer to the holiday. So send in your requests and I promise you I'll get to your video. This song, I'm going to do a couple of different versions of it, just like I've done with songs like Back in Black and Sunflower and pretty much a lot of songs that I've done. And the reason I do that is so you can progress with the song. So this version today is going to be the easiest version. After this one, I'm going to do a harder version and then a harder version after that. So there's going to be 2 more videos that come out after this one, and as you progress you can try to learn the next version. So this one is going to be the easiest, like I said, and all we're going to do is we're going to learn to move around with just one finger on each string. Okay, so we're going to do first finger on the 2nd fret of the low E string. That's called an F sharp. Then we're going to go to the 4th fret of the A string. That's called a C sharp. And then we're going to go to the 4th fret of the low E string, and that's called a G sharp. So F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. And that's pretty much it. And after this video I'll have a part that you can play along with, that you can practice with, that's a little slower than the original song, so that you can really work on that movement. And I know this seems way too easy, but if you aren't quite ready for chords, this is a great place to start because it's helping you move around the fretboard a little bit more. And once you're ready for it, then try out the next video, which will be attached to the end of this one. So you'll always be able to find it. So if you have a hard time searching through my channel and finding it, once I have it uploaded, it'll be in the description below. Speaking of the description below, guys, you can sign up for my guitar community right now. I'm doing that for only $10 a month. You can get with people of your ability, and I'm going to group you guys together. We're going to do group lessons on Zoom. We're going to do a lot of fun things. We're going to do some virtual concerts and things like that. So sign up below and check out all of my free resources at my website. All of that stuff is in the description below. I'll see you next time, guys, and be looking out for the next video.